Hi, and welcome to this week's episode of the CostofCarry podcast. My name is James Chi. Let's get started. How to get a lower interest rate on your home loan. In the current economic climate, low interest rates are not just a bonus, they're expected. Fortunately, if you're working with a mortgage broker, they will be able to help you get the very best deal that you can, and that will mean you will be receiving the very best interest rates on your home loan. So how do you actually go about getting a lower interest rate? Number 1. Ask for a better rate. As simple as it sounds, if you feel you could be getting a better rate, you might simply be able to ask for one. If you've been with the lender for a long period of time and you have a great track record of making your repayments on time, then they won't want to lose you. And that gives you some power to go and ask for a better rate. In many instances, lenders will incentivize new borrowers with low rate deals for a period of time. Your mortgage broker might be able to help you get a better rate simply by asking them for the same type of deal that the new borrowers are getting. Number 2. Be a borrower that the banks love. If you want to negotiate lower rates or even refinance, you need to be someone that banks will happily lend to in the first place. There are a number of factors that might make your loan application far more appealing than other borrowers. This might include only asking for a lower LVR. This means your loan is far safer in terms of leverage. Having a strong employment history. If you've been in the same job for many years and are in a permanent position, banks are going to be very happy to lend. Lenders are assessing the risk that you are going to pay them back, so having steady employment is a key indicator for them. You will also need to have a good credit history. A track record of payments made on time with no defaults is vital to get you the best possible rates, as any blemishes on your credit history will severely impact your application, let alone your negotiating power. Lastly, number 3, walk away. The reality is that refinancing is a real option for most borrowers and one they should strongly consider. If your bank is not prepared to budge, it might be worth looking elsewhere and walking away. If you are a borrower that banks love and you've already asked for a rate cut, then you should really be looking at your options. Your mortgage broker is always going to be your first point of call, and they will be able to quickly assess and easily assess your options and match you with the right type of loan and the best possible rates available. The days of sticking with the same lender for 30 years are long gone, and it is important that all borrowers are constantly hunting for the very best deals that they can, especially when it comes to interest rates. And that concludes this episode of the CostofCarry podcast. Thank you all for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next episode.